day 63 and today I'm out to do a mile. I feel like I've got a bit of a cold coming on, so I'm just going to take it easy. Don't really like breathing through my mouth. I like to, when I'm running, if you breathe through your nose it warms the air up for your lungs. So let's see how that goes. Only looking to do a mile today before it starts raining again. So I'm not going to let a little blocked nose get in the way of a mile. I'm not sure how ill I'd have to be to not be able to do a mile, but it's going to have to be very ill. Anyway, let's get on with it. I'll see you on the way round. As this is only a mile, I'm trying to inject a little bit of speed. I'm trying to keep my cadence up, so I'm hoping for 160 or higher. That's 160 steps a minute or higher for the mile. I'm not finding breathing too bad at the moment, but it could be better. Anyway, I'm over halfway now, on the way home. Well, that's day 63 complete, another mile in the bag. I've had an average cadence of 167, so I'm really happy with that. Just over 9:15 pace for the mile. Sorry, just under 9:15 pace for the mile. So really happy with that, especially considering I feel like I've got a bit of a cold. Yeah, just a little bit of a cold, nothing more serious, if you know what I mean. Anyway, that's my mile done for the day. Have a great evening. Thanks for running with me, and I'll see you tomorrow.